Postsale Anywhere reads shipment information right off your screen. Capture shipment information from any screen. Review the details, compare carrier rates, and print labels all without switching apps. To get started, download and install the Postsale Anywhere desktop app for Mac or Windows. Anywhere is included with every Postsale plan. Links are in the video description. The first time you launch Postsale Anywhere, sign in with your Postsale account. Once you're signed in, you're ready to start capturing. New to Postsale? Start a free trial at postsale.com. Let's start with a common one, capturing shipment details from an email. Make sure the email is open, then launch Postsale Anywhere. Click Capture Address, then draw a rectangle around the shipment details you want to capture. Anywhere reads the capture and creates a separate shipment for each one it finds. In this example, 3 addresses became 3 shipments. And Anywhere doesn't stop at the address. When order details are part of the capture, order number, items, quantities, costs, even order status, Anywhere pulls those in too. Anywhere also handles information in spreadsheets. Perfect when you have a list of shipments to send out and don't want to key them in one by one. Open the spreadsheet and launch Postsale Anywhere. Click Capture Address, then draw a rectangle around the rows you want to include. The capture is processed and a new shipment is created for each row. Spreadsheets are just one source. Anywhere works with PDFs, desktop email like Apple Mail or Outlook, chat apps like Slack and Discord, and pretty much anything else on your screen. If you can see it, you can ship it. You can also paste text directly into the Paste Text field. Click Parse Text, and Anywhere creates the shipment for you. Once your shipment information is ready, you can review and create your labels. Use the drop-down menus to assign the shipment to a specific store or set its status. Click the Edit icon to review or update the order number, ship to address, and item details. Click Create and Ship New Order to set packaging, dimensions, and weight. Your default shipping settings and any shipping rules you've set up in Postsale are applied automatically. Click Create Label to print. Any automations you've set up in Postsale, like shipment notification emails, fire just like they would inside the Postsale app. Once the label is created, everything syncs to your Postsale account. Order, shipment, and label details are available wherever you ship from next. Want more Postsale quick tips? Subscribe to the Postsale YouTube channel and check out the Postsale blog.